Hey everybody, I wanted to make a quick video and show you how you can get signatures on your syllabuses or syllabi, I'm sorry, or your signature pages that you need, because like Melissa reminded us in that email that we do, those of us that teach high school health on the middle school campus, we do have to have those parent signatures on that actual verification receipt that the kid is taking that content at the middle school level. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you go to the curriculum page, find the signature page. Once it opens, mine automatically opens in a PDF version because I downloaded an extension that makes it easy to transform PDFs into anything or vice versa. So there are just a few steps to this. So it is just a Chrome extension. It's called Small PDF. So once the PDF downloads, I'm going to download it to Word. And then it takes a second to do it. And then once it does it, I just click download. And then I'm going to put that into my Google Drive. And if there's an easier way to do this, please somebody tell me. So I'm just going to split my screen. I'm gonna split my screen, and I guess I shouldn't do that because you're not supposed to have the emails on there, right? So let me make that bigger. I'm gonna cut my screen. I'm gonna cut this out, and then I'm gonna go to my drive. And then once it comes up, of course, now I'll split my screen. And I can download that. Sorry, I missed it. And I'm going to click and drag over here somewhere. Let's see if there it comes. Now it says it's uploading and now it's ready. Okay, so I open up that fall signature page. Give it a second to load on the Google Doc. Gotta love technology when it takes forever, right? So still loading, but I mean, pretty much everything is there. The signature option. So it doesn't give the lines, but I mean, I guess at the end of the day, that's not really the most important thing. We need the signature here. You know, I mean, of course I could clean it up, right? I could take the, date over, but I mean, that's not really the most important thing now. Sorry, as I'm messing with things. So now I want to show you how to get that signature on this page. So yours might look a little different because I already have mine added on. See the sign request and create sign request? I already have that because I've downloaded that on my computer. So you might have to go through, or you're probably gonna have to go through the process of getting add-ons. Once this opens, again, gotta love technology, you are going to search for sign request. It would help if I clicked in the box, right? So sign request and search. Come on. Okay, so like I said, mine is already installed. You're probably gonna have to click in there, install, and again, it's just an install with your Google account, which of course we all have. So I'm gonna get out of this for now because you can obviously sign up. So once you go back to your Google Doc and you have the add-on ready, you're gonna go to add-ons in the Google Doc that we've converted from that PDF. You are gonna click Create Sign Request. Takes just a second. Again, we love technology because we expect it to be so fast, but it's never as fast as we want it, right? So it's coming up with that sign request. So now here is your document. It's already there. Again, when you convert it from the PDF to the document and then go through that process of uploading the document to your Google Drive, again, if there's a quicker way that somebody knows of, please tell me. But it is already going to load your email. You don't need to sign it. You need other people to sign it. And then you're going to put in your contacts. I already practiced sending this to some people, and they said it was very easy, very user friendly. Now the thing is with this account, sorry, let me get rid of that. With this account, it does have a limit of saying 10 free documents a month unless you sign up, and it is $7 a month, which I'll show you that in a second. But I think there is a workaround, and I'll talk about that in a second. So we're gonna send it to a couple of people because you can send it to a lot of people at one time. And so I think we might be okay with the free trial account without like actually purchasing it, because you're sending it to multiple email addresses. And of course you can get your student email addresses and they can have their parent sign it. Or if you want to get your parent email addresses from Skyward, again, that's another step, but it's all here for you. And you can put a message in there if you want. I am not going to send a message just right now because this is just a trial run. And then I'm going to click send. And then of course it does say that it has sent. Okay, so now what you do is when you have people signing it and returning it, you are, obviously it's not going to happen right away because people have to get the email, they have to go in and sign it, and you're going to go to My Documents. I had tried this with the high school health syllabus because I'm a dummy and I forgot about this verification page and I thought the syllabus is what we need signed. But it's not like I have anything else to think about this week, right? So this is what it's going to look like when it's signed, because all your stuff that you've sent and it says who you sent it to is right here. So I'll show you what the syllabus looks like when it's signed, even though the verification receipt is what we need. So you're just going to click download document, and then it downloads, you open it up, and then right here is obviously this is again the health syllabus that doesn't, it's not the one that we need to keep on file, but this is the one that I have practiced on getting signed. You would just click print, and then you would be able to print off the page that you need. And that would be your ability to keep the, the page that you need on file. But again, this is the health syllabus. The one that Melissa wants us to sign is the other one that I had sent out to those people. And that, we have to just wait a second for people to sign it. I can tell that they viewed it, and so whatever. So like I said, as far as like the account and stuff, you can start a free trial. You can sign up and you get 14 days for free, and it's only the $7. The $7 a month. I'm trying to get back to that main page where I can show you. Oh yeah, so the upgrade. So here's where it's at. Like I said, it's pretty cheap, $7 a month, and you get unlimited documents. So if you have a lot of stuff that you actually need signatures on file for, then that would be good. But I think that we could do a workaround. We've all done it where we've signed up to buy something just to get the free trial and then cancel it before it actually happened. You do get 14 days for free when you do sign up for this trial. We've all done it, but who knows? I think we could do the workaround where just adding multiple addresses at one time, and that would get us in the thing where it says, 10 free documents per month. But I would love to help you if you need help, or if you need me to show you that small PDF, or if you want me to walk you through it, on a Zoom or whatever, please just reach out to me, mreyes12@neisd.net. Again, I'm Marissa Reyes from Harris. I would love to help you, and hopefully this works. All right, good luck.